Good day, I am Jefferson A. Gayapiap from BIS IT Block M, and welcome to my presentation for Laboratory Activity Lab 3. In this video, I will showing the redesigned version of my partner from the management system where I applied interaction, improved prototyping, and user interface, enhancement using Adobe XD. After the redesign, I will also explain which part I improved and the design decision behind each change. So without further, okay, let's do. Ito po yung kay Fronda. Run po natin. Wow. And ito po yung na-redesign. Ito po yung mga pinalitan, ma'am, yung mga colors ng text, background color, and shape ng mga box. Oops. Nagpalit din po ng mga text, tsaka mga text color. Dito rin po yung background color ng ano yun?